Uh, Unlike other machines, the Turing machine can act as a transducer. Okay, that is, it can do computations. Okay, all the other machines that we have seen so far can accept a language only. Okay, okay, but the Turing machine can accept a language also, as well as it can do computations. Okay, here we will design a Turing machine to add two numbers. Okay, suppose we want to add two numbers, let us say 2 and 3. Okay, and the result will be 5. Okay, so we have limitations that we cannot represent as it is in the character. Okay, so we will represent 2 with the 2 ones and 3 with the 3 ones. Okay, and the result will be 5 ones. Okay, so in the tab we will represent input for addition as, we'll separate everything with a hash. Okay, so we will begin with a hash, and initially 2 will be represented like this. Okay, and the next number to be added is separated by a hash. Okay, and it is 3. Okay, so that the 3 will be represented with the 3 1, and it will end with a hash. Okay, and finally the blank symbols will be in the tab. The idea is that what we will do is that we will start here from the state q0. Okay, and we will keep on moving towards right side until we see the hash symbol. Okay, then we will replace that hash symbol with the 1. Okay, again we will keep on moving towards right side until we see the next hash. Okay, okay, here it is not yet finished, because here the now the result is 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. Okay, so we have to replace this last one with the hash. Okay, so we will keep on moving towards right side until we see the hash symbol. Okay, when we see the hash symbol, we again move back to left to find the rightmost one and replace this rightmost one with the hash. Okay, now the tab contain, and then we will replace again move towards right side and replace this hash with a blank. Okay, now the tab in between hash, we have the result 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, now let us design the machine. Okay, so initially initial state will be q0. Okay, from q0 we will see the symbol hash first. Okay, and we will keep hash as it is in the tab. Okay, and move towards right side. Okay, and change the state to q1. Okay, now the state is q1, and in q1 we can see n number of ones. We don't need so we will keep this one as it is, and we will keep on moving towards right side until we see the hash. Okay, so we will keep 1 as it is. Okay, now this one and move towards right side. Okay, and from q1 if we see the hash at last, next when we will reach here. Okay, after processing all the situation should be like this. q1 we will see the hash. Okay, then we have to replace this hash with the 1 and keep on moving towards right side. Okay, so from the state to q1, if we see the hash symbol, okay, we will replace that hash symbol with the 1, and the tab head will move towards right side. Okay, and change the state to q2. Now we can, here also we will have to process n number of ones until we see the hash. Okay, so for all ones we keep the 1 as it is, and the tab head will move towards right side. Okay, and from state so it will keep on moving towards right side, and last the q2 will reach here. Okay, so from q2 if we see the hash symbol, we have to move towards the left side to find out the rightmost one. Okay, so from q2 if we see the hash symbol, we can immediately replace that hash symbol with the blank and move towards left side. Okay, so this hash will be replaced as blank. Okay, and move towards left side, and we change the state to q3. Okay, now q3, this one has to be replaced as hash. Okay, so from q3 the one we are seeing will be replaced with the hash, and the tab head will move towards right side. Okay, and next state will be q4, and from q4 we will see the blank symbol. Okay, and we will keep that blank as it is, and the machine will halt. And so Q5 will be the final state. You can make Q4 also final state. There is no need to check whether the blank will be there or not. It's your wish. Okay. So if you write instance description like this, initial instance will be Q0 hash 11 hash 111 hash. Okay. And after processing all this, the final instance will be hash 5 ones, okay, hash Q5. This will be the final instance. Okay.